What's poppin', people? It's Corinthian. Today we're playing Survive the Disasters 2. Epic Doug. Ooh, hello. True. I wonder if I got any hits on him. Whoa. Yeah, we can block her. Polyhex. Oh, well, I mean, the arrow is helpful. What? Yeah, seems like it. Oh, shit, bitch. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah. Survival defense? Oh, my God. Pacifist mode. Oh, yay. Well, guys, we are going to get to rank A using nothing but pacifist mode. We did get a couple, about 771 XP, so it's not going to be 100%, but this should make things a bit more entertaining. Levitating rocket launcher? Oh, and I died immediately. It's too dark for us to have that disaster going on. Boss alert! I need to get over here and get back. Yo, Jimbo! Oh, I'm definitely not surviving. Oh, who's killing him? He's over here hiding like a bitch and they're fucking beating his ass. I forget that this is the regular. Oh my god! Ah! I am not dying last second. Woo! I'm rank E, same as Genu Sung. Mind spawn. Oh no. Let me go over here. Oh, thank you, Ogibura. Oguribura? Yeah, Oguribura. Okay, no, I would like to get inside for this. Sawblade? Oh, let me get the fuck out the house. Oh, shit, look at that. What? That's very weird how it's doing. Okay. It's like he's just a lost little puppy dog, just bouncing around. Oh shit. Okay. I should be safe back here. Tornado! Isn't it fair just going one path? But the house is gone immediately, which does not bode well for me. But this little thing will likely be a saving grace. Pizza dude. Oh, hell. Pizza dude's a bit rough. Because I'm slow as hell. But luckily he's not targeting me. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, no. I have to go over here. Oh shit! Fly in between. See, like, oh my gosh, but I'm not gonna stop. We'll keep on surviving. Oh no! I got the. Yeah, I fucked up. And that was my fault. And I was being lazy. A lot of people. Oh man. Oh, I need to get down. Damn. Yeah. Screamer? We hide! Bowser, I'm nobody! go. Oh no. Oh no, I'm not surviving this. Oh my gosh, it doesn't move like in hardcore. Wow, I actually survived that. Magnifier. I'm assuming I'm supposed to get inside. Oh, I see it. Yeah, he's healing us. Nice. Monkey? Ooh, I don't know. Oh, yeah, he's eating through the... Oh, no, okay. Oh, man. Oh, fuck. It's a boss? Oh, no, I'm dead. Oh, my gosh. This is quite hard as a pacifist. Ah, shit. I gotta get it behind. Whew, I gotta get it behind the house. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! That's a bonus, baby. Nobody's gonna go after me. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm not trying hard enough. Oh, frick. We disagree, so go away. Ah! Okay. We made it, we made it, we made it. Yay! Oh, tornado, this should be easy. I just need to head this way. Oh yeah, that's easy. Look at that. I ain't doing no damage. Slenderman? Aw, shit. I'm probably gonna die. Survive! Survival Street! Slingshot. I don't know where the frick it's at. Oh. Ooh, damn, he died last second. Ooh, real collected, yeah. Ooh, Candy Cloud. Y'all suck. Oh shit. Damn. Ugh, Sawblade. This damn dumbass disaster, man. Oh, I do not like that. It aims directly at me. Look at that! You can't tell me that's not coming from me. Damn. He copied at least one fucking body. So. Oh, damn. So I'm about to do 14th Street. Oh, shit. Fuck, I don't know where to go. We surviving, baby. Yeah! Spooksville, Spooksville, Spooksville. Bruh, how could y'all not choose Spooksville? Mr. Happy, god damn it. Oh, he's killing people. Get him, guys, get him. Oh, I'm so dead. Help! Help! Thank you. Oh my god. Thank you so much. You're such a sweet boy. Oh no. Oh. I'm gonna get a Peter Man and I'm just gonna hope for the best. What is that? Oh, what is it doing? Fucking cheat. Yeah. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh no. I hate Mr. Disaster. There must be an enemy. Wow, no one died. That's crazy. Oh shit.